This song is more for the families who has mental issues and telling them that it's not within their control. Okay, just a bit only, yeah. I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do anymore. Trying every day when I hold my breath. Staring on his face, stressing on my days. I don't wanna lose control. They come up with special fried rice. And then from the chicken itself, they make barbecue chicken. They cook like all the Malay dishes. They also try to do Western dishes. With that thank you, they all say that with the ration that you gave, this is what we have prepared for our family. And it's a hot meal. Yeah, that alone is enough. Yeah, seeing them smile, telling me and my teammates that, oh, thank God there's ration, thank God there's essential, and this really does help them a lot. Just that only touching I don't need more than that.